Welcome to the AccuArm unboxing video. AccuArm is a portable coordinate measuring machine from Scanology, designed specifically for high-precision measurement scenarios. AccuArm breaks the barrier of the trade-off between laboratory accuracy and on-site portability, making high-precision measurement accessible anytime, anywhere. Through this tutorial series, both beginners and experienced technicians will be able to quickly master its installation and operation. This portable coordinate measuring machine features high precision, flexible operation, and strong adaptability. We will break down its core advantages in detail later. First, let's take a look at its full set of configurations. First up is this professional protective case. Constructed from high-strength wear-resistant material, it comes with custom shock-absorbing foam that perfectly contours to the equipment, providing full protection against impacts during transportation and storage. Unlock the latches to reveal the complete set of accessories inside. Apart from the AccuArm, we also provide an instant swap probe, magnetic base, power adapter, USB data cable, calibration cone, user manual, probe accessory kit, and other accessories. All accessories have undergone strict inspections to ensure perfect compatibility with the equipment. Okay, that wraps up an overview and unboxing of the AccuArm. If you got any questions or want to learn more, please feel free to drop us an email. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.